Hello my loves! Welcome back to my channel, and if you are a new viewer on my channel, hello girl, I'm Anne, and if you are into beauty videos, please do consider subscribing to my channel because I do upload my videos every single week. So for today guys, I am going to show you how I do my everyday, very basic and simple makeup routine, and I am also using affordable products in this makeup tutorial. So if you guys wanted to know how I do my makeup on a daily basis, then just keep on watching.
On a daily basis, I do not apply a lot of makeup, so the first step that I do is to ensure that my skin is exfoliated, and I am using the iWhite Korea 2-minute whitening miracle mask. This product is super affordable, plus it helps in removing the dead skin cells on your skin. It helps whiten dark spots, it moisturizes your skin, and it also helps in controlling excessive oiliness. But I do not do this every single day. I only do this step 2 to 3 times a week. After rinsing the mask with water, the next step that I do is to apply a toner, and you guys already know my favorite, and that is the Neutrogena alcohol-free toner. Then the next step that I do is to apply moisturizer, and I use the iWhite Korea Aqua Moisturizer. I love to use this moisturizer because it's a gel type, so it is easily absorbed by your skin while keeping it moisturized, and it doesn't make my skin more oily. While waiting for the moisturizer to set, I also ensure that my lips is moisturized by applying a lip balm, and my favorite is the Carmex Lip Balm. On a daily basis, I do not want to apply any foundation, so for this tutorial, I'm going to use the Bilena BB cream as my base because it has a good coverage which helps cover my skin imperfections, but it doesn't feel heavy on the face. Of course, the secret to making your face look fresh is to get rid of those nasty eye bags. So I'm going to apply the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light or Medium to do that. Next, I'm just going to set everything with the Wet n Wild Photofocus pressed powder in the shade Warm Beige. Then I also apply a bronzer just to bring back the warmth on my face since the BB cream is lighter than my skin tone. After that, I am applying the Careline Oil Control Blush on in the shade Starlight Shine on the apples of my cheeks. I also apply a little bit on my nose bridge just to have that drunken blush effect. For my brows, I don't do Instagram brows on a daily basis since I wanted them to look natural. So what I do is I use the L'Oreal Designer Pro Brow Artist in the shade Dark Brown to fill in the sparse area of my brows, especially on the tail part since my natural brows is too short to frame my face. On a daily basis, I do not apply an eyeshadow, so to make my eyes look more awake, I ensure to curl my lashes and apply a few coats of mascara. And you guys know that my favorite is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And lastly, for the lips, I wanted to keep it more natural, so I usually use a cheek and lip tint, and for today I am using the KGM cheek and lip tint in the shade Girl Talk.
So that is it for today's makeup tutorial, you guys. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button down there, and please do consider subscribing to my channel for you to become a part of my beloved family. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You guys know that I love you so much. Don't forget what I always say to you guys. Don't let your dreams just be dreams. Make your dreams possible. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye!